very warm good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to Chemistry Digital class. Hope so you are fine and taking due care of yourself, dear students. As you know that we are doing our chapter 3, that is atom and molecule, in which last time I told you about the information about atom, in which we studied that atomic number, atomic mass, valency, which is very important to find out or to calculate the molecular mass. So today's topic that we are doing, that is in atomic and molecule, is molecular mass and calculation of molecular mass. So before going to start the molecular mass, let's understand first what is the meaning of molecule. You know that the chapter name is atom and molecule, and here we are particularly talking about the how atom is becoming molecule, in which the molecule is what. If we will talk about molecule, we have studied that the atom is smallest indivisible particle of matter, but it may or may not have independent existence. Okay, it means that atom may or may not found independent. It can found in the form of group. So that group of two or more atom chemically which is bonded together is called atom. So what is the definition? Is called molecule. Sorry. So what is the definition of molecule? Molecule is a group of two or more atoms which is chemically bonded together is known as molecule. Okay, for example, some of the examples are, suppose H2O, CO2, even H2O2. These are the example of molecules. Okay, which behave as a single entity, and or if I'll say the capable to independent existence. The atom within the molecule basically are held tightly by attracting force, that is called chemical bond. The molecule may thus be defined as the smallest particle of the substance which can exist independently. It means that one more way you can define the molecule. Molecule is what? Simply, if we will say, it is, if I write the molecule may defined as the smallest particle of substance which can exist independently in nature. Okay, so it is the smallest particles of substance which can exist independently also, as atom is the smallest particle which cannot exist independently only. So atom is further divided into two categories. The first category is, that is molecule of element, and second is molecule of compound. So here you can see the difference is element and compound. So what does it mean? Basically those molecule which is of element. If we will talk about molecule of element, molecule of element is made up of atom of same element and can be called homoatomic molecule. So these are also known as homoatomic molecule. Dear students, here I just want to tell you about the meaning of homo. Homo means same or similar. It means that these are those molecules which is made up of similar type of atoms. For example, H2, O2, N2 are some examples of, S8 are some of the example of molecule of element which is called homoatomic molecule. Okay, so definition become what? These are the molecule of element which is made up of atom of same type of element. So you can see H2 is made up of H plus H, two type of similar atom. O2 is made up of similar type of oxygen and oxygen. Molecule of element can be monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic, tetraatomic. So these basically these homoatomic molecule are different type. It can be monoatomic. Monoatomic mean one atom. It can be diatomic, mean more than two. It can be triatomic, three. It can be polyatomic. This is called atomicity also. Diatomic 2, triatomic 2 or more than 3 is called polyatomic. Okay. For example, some of the example I am going to take. For example, monoatomic examples are all the noble gas, helium, neon, argon are the example. Diatomic example are H2, N2, Cl2. Similar way, triatomic examples are you can say O3. O3 is the example, common example of triatomic. Polyatomic examples are S8, C60. This is allotrope of carbon. So these are some example of polyatomic. Okay. So some of the metals, these are other atoms such as carbon, silicon. They have complex structure also, which consist of very large indefinite number of atoms which is bonded to each other. Okay. Now if I'll talk about the molecule of compound, hope so you understood the molecule of elements. Here you can see all the example where similar type of atoms are combining with similar type of atom. Now if I'll talk about the second, that is polyatomic. So you can take this in the form of differences also. Okay, now molecule of compound. Molecule of compound are made up of atom of different element. Okay, it is also known as heteroatomic molecule. Hetero word come from different. Hetero word come from different. It means that, for example, HCl, H2O, CO2, NH3, etc. Okay. So these are the molecule of compounds that is made of atoms of different element. Atoms of different elements. Okay. Let make me definition under the box so that it will differentiate this definition from other notes. Okay, for example, as I'm going to tell you about HCl will give us HCl. Although between hydrogen and chlorine there is a bond, so that attractive force will combine hydrogen and chlorine. Similar way, if I will take H2 plus O2 will give us H2O, but there is 2. Okay, balancing. So these are the some example. Suppose for example we have similar way, the way we have homolytic, similar way we have heterolytic also. Different types of heterolytic. We have diatomic, we have triatomic molecule, we have tetraatomic, and we have polyatomic. Okay, so diatomic, it is not monoatomic, it cannot be monoatomic type. Okay, so suppose for example diatomic, we will talk to two type of molecule is there. For example, we have HCl diatomic, we have CO, carbon monoxide. Similar triatomic is 3. Suppose H2O, 2 hydrogen 1 oxygen, triatomic. The similar way CO2, 1 carbon 2 oxygen is there, it is having triatomic. Tetraatomic means 4. Suppose NH3, ammonia is the example of 4. Dear students, just count how many nitrogen is there. 1. How many hydrogen is there? 3. So 1 plus 3, 4 is there. Okay. Polyatomic, we have more than 4. CH4, suppose we have C2H5OH. Similarly, we have CH3COOH. Okay, so these are the some examples of polyatomic molecules. Now, dear students, let me tell you how these molecules combine. These molecules will combine on the basis of its valency, its ionic nature, its electron that is present in outermost shell. Now next, dear students, which is very important, that is molecular mass. Okay, mass word come from one kind of weight. As you know that one atom, if you will talk about an atom is made up of nucleus and the electron that revolve around the nucleus. Okay, electron that revolve around the nucleus, you know very well. Electron is filled in an atom with this magic number, as we studied last video, 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32, 32. It means that 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, then 11. Suppose this is example of sodium. So all those electron which is revolving around the nucleus, and nucleus having proton and neutron. It means that in basic we will say atom structure is somewhere like this way, and atom is made up of nucleus and electron. Nucleus carry proton and neutron, and electron are revolving around the nucleus. Electron are responsible for, basically electron are responsible for atomic number. Electron are responsible for atomic number, and the proton and neutron, both proton and neutron are responsible for atomic mass, weight. Okay, for example, if I'll take example, suppose whatever is your body, in whatever is there in your body, organs, bone, blood, water, whatever is there in your body, skin, that is responsible for the weight of your body. Am I right? But how much intelligent you are from your mind, that will not come in your weight. That is your intelligence. Similar way, suppose for example you keep relate like this way, electron are intelligence of atom, and the proton and neutron are the weight of the atom. So whatever is there inside the nucleus, that will carry the atomic mass. Okay, for example, sodium have 23 electron, and proton is also 23, because electron and proton are always equal. Neutron is 11 electron. Sodium have 11 electron, 11 proton, but 12 neutron. So you know very well the atomic mass can be calculated. Atomic mass can be calculated by proton plus neutron always. Atomic mass, whenever we are calculating atomic mass, we need to sum proton and neutron. For example, here proton are 11 and neutron are 12. So total is 23. So it means that atomic mass of sodium is 23. Now what is molecular mass? Now molecule is what? Molecule is, you know very well, molecule is combination of elements. Combination of elements. Suppose for example we are talking about NaCl. It means that it is combination of Na and Cl. Now what is the Na mass? Na mass is 23. This is we calculated here. A similar way Cl mass is 35. So it means that total molecular mass of NaCl will be 58. We are writing here atomic mass unit. Like this way we can calculate. Okay. So dear students, don't be confused. It is very simple. So what is the molecular mass now? It is the sum of atomic masses. It is the sum of atomic masses. Molecular mass is what? It is the sum of atomic masses. So we need to understand first what is atomic mass. Okay. If we will talk about atomic mass, dear student, just to calculate the atomic mass, we need to relate if we will see the atomic mass, actually what is happening, it is not possible to isolate a single atom or weight it, because atom size is very very small, you know very well. So for that purpose, what happened, the atoms unit, to take the unit of mass is gram. If we will take atom in a gram, so it will be, gram is very big unit and the size of atom is very small. So at that point we used atomic mass unit word we used. Okay, and what is atomic mass? Atomic mass is basically equal to, in 1961, according to International Union of Pure Applied Chemistry, it recommended that the most stable isotope of carbon is 12, C12. And if we will talk about the mass, the unit of for expressing the relative atomic mass of different element is 1/12th of the mass of that carbon 12. कहने का मतलब है, अगर हमने किसी भी एटम का मास फाइंड आउट करना है तो 1961 में 1961 इंटरनेशनल यूनियन ऑफ प्योर एंड अप्लाइड केमिस्ट्री, it is the union of a chemistry which is supplied in all over international, this is the union, they decided that the isotope of carbon 12 is the most suitable isotope, which refer to compare the atomic mass of various element. It means that if we need to find out the atomic mass of any element, so we need to do 1/12th of the mass of carbon 12, which will defined as the exactly 12 unit. This unit is called universal atomic mass unit. It is also called universal atomic mass unit, or it is represented as AMU. So it is my request now, whenever we are calculating atomic mass unit, you have to write in the end AMU, otherwise you will not get marks. Suppose if I write this much, so I will not get marks. I need to write AMU unit also. Okay, but this was for just for your information. But here, when we are going to calculate molecular mass, there is no anywhere this kind of info, this type of question. Okay, so let's calculate atomic mass unit. Now in exam, dear students, question are coming in this way: calculate molecular mass of, you know very well, molecular mass of, you know very well the how to calculate the how to write the molecular mass, that you understood already. In last video also I told you how to write the molecular mass. So if suppose question came, calculate the molecular mass of H2O, calculate the mass of CO2, calculate the mass of NH3, calculate the mass of CH4, calculate the mass of C6H12O6. Okay, so we can calculate. Here I want to just tell you one example. Rest 4 example you can do at home. Okay, rest 6 example you do at home. HNO3. So once again, dear students, I'm going to tell you some of the steps. So step 1 is, you should know the molecular formula. The molecular formula is already given. Step 2 is, you should know the atomic mass of each element. अगर आपको एटॉमिक मास याद नहीं है तो आप molecular mass formula नहीं calculate कर सकते हैं. तो you need to write atomic mass again. You remember this chart. In this chart I told you already, this is atomic mass, these are atomic mass. So once again, with the help of this chart, learn all these atomic mass right from 1 to 20 element, because these atomic mass are going to help you to calculate atomic mass. Okay, so let's start. Step 3 is calculate the mass. Here you need math skill. If you are weak in calculation, so maybe you can do wrong. Okay, so I'm going to take an example. I'm going to take example of H2O. So the step 1, dear students, H2O for molecular formula you should know, that is H2O molecular formula. Write its atomicity, how many hydrogen is there, basically 2 hydrogen is there, and how many oxygen is there, 1 oxygen is there. Okay, first we will write exact atomic formula. This is the molecular mass, this is the molecular formula. In this molecular formula, this is triatomic molecular formula, molecule of compounds in which 2 hydrogen is there, 1 single oxygen is there. Now second, you should know the mass. What is the mass of hydrogen? Okay, you will multiply the mass. What is the mass of hydrogen? Okay, don't remember, please learn it. This is the atomic mass. See, hydrogen in front of hydrogen, this is the mass 1, and with this we have oxygen, so this is the mass of oxygen. It means that oxygen mass is 16, hydrogen mass is 1. So from here we can calculate the mass. Hydrogen mass was 1 and oxygen mass was 16. So now calculate it. Second step, atomic mass we have written. This was the step 1, this was step 2. Now step 3 is calculation. 2 1s are 2, 16 1s are 16. 2 plus 16, there is 18. And don't forget to write AMU. So 18 AMU is the molecular mass of water. Okay, one extra I'm going to take. Chalo, let's take H2SO4. Okay, again, first step is write molecular formula. All the elements of molecular formula. Hydrogen is there, sulfur is there, oxygen is there. Now how many hydrogen is there, how many sulfur is there, how many oxygen is there? It will be very clear given in the question. 2 hydrogen is there, 1 sulfur is there, 4 oxygen is there. Now we will write its atomic mass. Hydrogen mass you know very well, 1. Sulfur mass, yes, the atomic number of sulfur is 16. So atomic mass will be, again I am telling you, until you will not learn this table you cannot solve. So this is sulfur and this is the mass of sulfur, 32. Okay, so 32 is the mass of sulfur and oxygen mass is 16. Okay, so now step 3 is we need to calculate. So it is 2 1s are 2, 32 1s are 32, 16 4s are 64. Okay, and plus now sum, add all the mass of 2 2 4 4 8 6 3 9, 98 atomic mass unit. So this is the atomic mass unit of H2SO4. Now the same way, dear students, you need to calculate CO2, NH3, CH4, C6H12, O6, HNO3. This is your homework. Do complete this work in the same way and do send it to me. So hope so you understood about molecular mass, the recapitulation. So in recapitulation we did molecule. First we did molecule definition, in which group of 2 or more atoms chemically bonded together. Molecule may be defined as the smallest particle of substance which can exist independently. Molecule of 2 type, molecule of element, molecule of compound. Molecule of element is homoatomic, molecule of compound is heteroatomic, in which you can see all the formula are similar type, whereas mono, di, tri or polyatomic type of mono molecule of element was there, and diatomic, triatomic, tetratomic, polyatomic are molecule of compound. Okay, after this we did calculation of molecular mass. First definition of molecular mass, it is the sum of the atomic mass, where atomic mass is represented resembling with the carbon 12, and each type of mass we can calculate by 1/12 of the mass of the carbon 12. It is universal atomic mass unit, which is written as AMU. So AMU is the unit of atomic mass or molecular mass. So now we need to calculate. Question is coming this way. So we did with the example of H2O and H2SO4. You will do rest of the things. Okay, in which first step is again break the molecule into elements, number of elements, what is the mass, this you need to learn only. After this calculate, very simple. Okay, so hope so you got my point. Hope so you got this video and you understood. So till my next video, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe, and keep enjoying this digital class. Have a nice day.